So the input lag thing is already going to kill the experience. It's already kind of going to kill the experience. But this is running at about 30 FPS. Interestingly enough, if you look over here, like I'm getting 50 FPS and it actually looks smooth. Kind of impressive for such an old computer. Also, I don't know what's really the bottleneck here. Probably the GPU. Man, the CPU also. Processor and the graphics card. And they're 10 years old, what do you expect? Wow, it's actually a little bit smooth right now. Yeah, almost 60 FPS. Oh, only 2 people on screen. Even though it's smooth, there's still input lag, which is when I move the mouse, it takes a little bit of time for it to appear on screen, and that guy just shot me. Auto sprint? No, toggle sprint, whatever that is. Just because kind of hard to do stuff. Oh, we're gonna get a kill. Ah! Well. Oh, we have an ender pearl. Oh, that's great. Yeah, and I know this is like the most cringe thing I've ever seen, like, for a video. Also, sound is not great because my microphone is over there. Also, I do not have a speakers connected right now. Or really, I have to look behind me like this. Okay, he's right behind me. We can totally ender pearl out of here. Oh, it's corrupted pearl. Same thing. Die! Die! Jitter click you! Ah! Yes! We got a kill. Even though there's like a ton of input, like, we should kill this person. We have strength, 2, 1, and I got a hit of strength. Maybe 2. Oh, we got all the hits in strength. Oh, we killed him. What a legend. On a 10-year-old computer. Yeah. Yay. And strat for the oh. Ah! Yeah, stuff. I have more stuff. Oh yeah, even my sword is better. This is so hard to play. Yes! We got a win! See, it's all about those skills, man. It's all about those skills. Even so, if you are... Oh, and I survived. Wow. And that guy is gonna come from this. No, I don't think he has a... Does this guy have a fire resistance potion? I don't think so. Really the only way I'm gonna win this is by clean. I didn't even have to hit him. Well, I mean, you can just get free wins with anything. With any computer. It doesn't actually matter. So, Minecraft runs. So, Minecraft almost runs, even though there's some serious input lag. Which, basically you can play Skyblock and not much else. So, let's try something else. Next, I tried a game called Assault Cube. Unfortunately, the audio didn't record. The game played at about 80 to 100 frames per second. Also, the input lag was gone. In conclusion, you can get some games running on such an old computer. Anyways, that'll do it for the video. If you have any questions, just leave a comment, and I'll try to answer it. And that's the end of the video. Goodbye.